Good morning, my dear student. Today's topic is the capacitor. Okay, this is the new topic in the chapter of electrostatic potential and capacitance. This is the first topic of related to capacitance. This is the capacitor. Okay, so the first, the capacitor is the device which store the potential between their plates in the form of electric field. Okay, तो that is called the कैपेसिटर. कैपेसिटर एक ऐसी डिवाइस है जिसमें कि दो प्लेट होती हैं, टू प्लेट्स हैं. इन दोनों के बिटवीन में पोटेंशियल को राइज करने, पोटेंशियल को स्टोर करने की टेंडेंसी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बिटवीन देयर प्लेट्स. दिस इज द पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड दिस इज द नेगेटिव, and this combination of these parallel two plates is called the capacitor. Okay, and the capacitance, what is the capacitance? Capacitance is the property to the store electric potential by giving its charge. Okay, it is found that the charge and the potential that is directly proportional to each other. The potential rise between the plates of capacitor that depends on the charge given to the conductor. Okay, and after removing this proportional sign we get a constant term C. This is called the proportionality constant and named as the capacitance or capacity of that conductor, which may be defined as the C is equal to Q upon V. It means this is the ratio of charge given to the conductor to the potential raised between the plates of capacitor. Okay, its SI unit is farad. Its SI unit is farad and denoted by F. Its dimensional formula is M minus 1 L minus 2 T 4 A 2. This is the dimensional formula of the capacitance. Okay, now the principle of capacitor. Okay, principle क्या होता है? What is the principle of capacitor? If we take the positive conductors, this is the positively conductor A, and the non-conductor, uncharged conductor, this is the B, is placed. This is the uncharged conductor. जैसे ही हम किसी अनचार्ज कंडक्टर को किसी चार्ज कंडक्टर के पास मिलाते हैं, पॉजिटिवली चार्ज कंडक्टर के पास मिलाते हैं, देन द नेगेटिव चार्ज इज शिफ्टेड टुवर्ड्स द पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड अदर साइड द नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव चार्ज इज शिफ्टेड ऑन दैट कंडक्टर. इफ दिस सिचुएशन इज ग्राउंडेड, अगर इसको हम ग्राउंडेड कर दें, अर्थिंग कर दें, then the all the positive charge is reached to the ground, अर्थ में पहुंच जाता है, then this uncharged conductor becomes negatively charged. So we can say that there is the potential difference is set up between two plates of the conductors A and B. There is an electric field is set up between these plates. So we can say that the potential is raised up when we taking up the charge on this conductor. Okay, so this is the principle of capacitor. The capacitance of the conductor does depends on, first point है कि किस पर डिपेंड करता है? नेचर ऑफ द कंडक्टर. सेकेंड, the medium in which the plates of conductor is placed, and third is the size of the conductor. Okay, thank you student. It means from this it is clear that the capacitor is a device which is the combination of two conductors, one is positive, second is negative, and the one conductor is grounded. This is the capacitor. So the capacitor can be represented by the two parallel lines. This is the capacitor. And if we apply the arrow sign, this is the variable capacitor. Variable capacitor. Because the arrow sign represents the always capacity of that conductor varies with respect to time. So this is called the variable capacitor. Okay, thank you, students.